Hey there, have you ever found yourself racing through your mornings, lunch breaks, and evenings without really noticing how you feel? Trust me, I've been there. And I know how easy it is to let the day sweep you away. But here's the thing, real, lasting happiness doesn't come from grand gestures or flashy achievements. It's built, step by step, through tiny rituals that ground us, uplift us, and reconnect us to the present moment. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a simple routine that sets you up for success. Not by doing more, but by doing less, more mindfully. Picture yourself sipping a glass of water as the first thing you touch, feeling that cool clarity wash over you. That one act, repeated every single day, is like whispering to your body, "Hey, I see you. I'm here for you." As you go through your morning, take just a moment to reach for whatever inspires you. A gratitude journal, maybe a quick stretch as you reach for the ceiling or wiggle your toes. Let those few seconds be an invitation to yourself. I choose calm. I choose awareness. You don't have to rewrite your life overnight. You just have to give yourself permission to breathe into your day. Then comes the heart of your afternoon. You know how lunch sometimes turns into scrolling through your phone, emails pinging away, and before you realize it, you're more drained than before. Instead, what if you gave yourself the gift of true presence? Pick one task and give it your full attention. Really taste each bite of your food. Notice the colors on your plate, the textures, the flavors. If you can, sneak outside for a few minutes. Let your eyes rest on the greenery or the wide-open sky. Feel the air on your skin. Those small pauses break the cycle of frenetic energy and remind your mind that it's okay to slow down. As the sun dips a little lower, think about winding down in a way that feels nourishing rather than exhausting. 1 hour before bed, turn off those screens. Yes, even your second favorite show can wait. Instead, pick up a light novel or a beautiful fiction book that carries you to another world. Then before you drift off, look back on your day. What went really well? What surprised you? Celebrate the small wins, a kind word you gave, a moment you showed up for yourself. And finally, wrap your hands around a warm cup of herbal tea. Feel the steam rise, let the gentle warmth settle in. It's that ritual of closing the day with kindness toward yourself that whispers, "You mattered today." Now, I know it sounds like a lot when you hear it all at once, but here's my invitation. Choose just one of these rituals. Maybe tomorrow morning, before you grab your phone, pour yourself that glass of water and let it be your anchor. Try it for 7 days, and notice how something so small can change the way you show up, for your work, your relationships, and most importantly, for yourself. Because when we build our lives on tiny, consistent acts of care, we're weaving a life that's not just happier in the moment, but more resilient in every way. Are you with me? Let's make tomorrow the start of something simple, something sustainable, and something that truly lights you up from the inside out. Here's to those small steps and the big joy they bring.